the State Security Council had decided to relax the coffee time a little for Obiapo and Port Harcourt local government areas only. Consequently, the current nighttime curfew in Port Harcourt and Obiapo local government areas will now be effective from 8:30 p.m. to 6 a.m. from Sunday, 16th May 2021, while the starting and closing time frame of 7 p.m. to 6 a.m. still continues to apply to the prevailing curfew in the rest of the 21 local government areas of the state until further notice. The nation's security agencies are on ground to strictly enforce the statewide curfew as reviewed and arrest and prosecute any intransigent person or group that may fail to comply. Thank heavens, those responsible for the premeditated ambushes and murders of security personnel in the state have been apprehended and are now facing the bitter venom of our laws, as none that is proven to be criminally liable will escape the fury and crushing impact of justice. We wish to reassure every citizen and resident that we are able, willing, and ready to act directly and decisively and at any time with the full weight of our government to forestall every security threat to our state from any person, group, or quarters.